Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Monday the 13th of April with me, Richard Prayer Market Analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to cable now for sterling dollar, and this the sterling is remaining weak. Actually, the dollar is continuing to strengthen, and both sterling and euro are weakening, and sterling has now sort of really confirmed this breakdown that we got on Friday. The 46.32 old support that was that March low is now been breaking, and it is now sort of falling ever lower. Now you're back to sort of 2010 levels now, so you've got to zoom back a fair way to see where we're looking at cable. And if I just zoom in on this price action in 2010, you can see a few lows here. We're currently trading at around 45, well, it's about 46 figure. So where's the next real low? It doesn't really come in until that 43.45 level, which is really interesting. There's no real support there, and even then that's not a great support, so you would argue that there's no massive support until 42.30. So that would suggest that there is 370 pips maybe to the downside still on this cable move. So there's a lot going on still to suggest that there is further downside potential. Now this is on the hourly chart. We've just had the momentum indicators rolling over. They're all in negative configuration. You could even also argue now that the 21-day moving average has become the basis of resistance. It comes in around 46.25 at the moment, and it certainly looks like rallies are being given as a chance to sell. So I think any sort of rally that you get into a little near-term resistance band, perhaps between that 46.20 mark up towards 46.50, would be ideal in terms of your selling opportunities on this near-term chart anyway, because it certainly looks as though there is going to be further downside on this cable move, and further weakness. I mean, just look at these daily momentum indicators, probably even more worrying than the hourly ones, because they are negatively configured but also have downside potential. Look at that RSI, only at 34, still plenty of movement back towards the levels that it gets to when it gets to be oversold, so it's not oversold in any way. MACD lines are crossing over in very negative positions. Stochastics are beginning to accelerate lower as well, so pretty much across the board everything is negative about this cable chart, and just suggests that any rally on the hourly chart is a chance to sell. In terms of where you'd be thinking about sort of the outlook improving, well, you'd certainly want a rally back above that 47.25 area, which sort of marks about 10 pips worth of resistance that guards that old low as well. So around about 10 or so pips of resistance there between 47.25 and 47.35. But to be honest, it's looking pretty weak on this cable chart now, and any rally is a chance to sell, I think. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.